RC helicopters in 2026 are more impressive than ever, combining cutting-edge technology with stunning realism and performance. From highly detailed scale military helicopters to smooth flying beginner models and powerful collective pitch machines, today's RC helis truly offer something for every type of pilot. In this video, we're counting down the top 12 best RC helicopters of 2026, highlighting standout models known for their design, stability, and pure flying excitement. Whether you fly for fun, realism, or adrenaline, these helicopters prove just how far RC aviation has evolved. Blade Eclipse 360 Coast Guard Edition. The Blade Eclipse 360 Coast Guard Edition is a striking collective pitch RC helicopter that perfectly blends scale Coast Guard styling with dependable flying performance. Built with a lightweight, fully molded EPO body, it features realistic details, LED navigation lights, and bright landing lights that look impressive in flight. Carbon fiber main blades combined with a powerful brushless motor provide smooth hovering, responsive control, and enough power for sport maneuvers and mild aerobatics. Designed mainly for intermediate pilots, it includes Spectrum AS3X for stability and optional safe technology for added confidence and crash prevention. Real-time telemetry support with compatible Spectrum radios keeps pilots informed, making this helicopter both exciting and reassuring to fly. Flywing MH60. The Flywing MH60 is a high-end scale RC helicopter that delivers serious realism combined with smart flight technology for confident flying. Inspired by the legendary MH60 military helicopter, it features a highly detailed fuselage and an authentic 4-blade rotor system that looks incredibly realistic in the air. Equipped with an advanced AC flight controller, it offers GPS stabilization, auto hover, and one-key return to home, making outdoor flights smooth and stress-free. Powerful brushless motors, paired with a 4S 5000 mAh battery, allow flight times of around 20 to 25 minutes with a range close to 1 kilometer. Available in ready-to-fly packages starting roughly between $800 to $1,100, it is a premium choice for intermediate to advanced pilots who want scale accuracy with intelligent performance. Rotoscale UH1 Venom 220. The Rotoscale UH1 Venom 220 is a compact, ready-to-fly scale RC helicopter that captures the spirit of the Marine Corps' modern utility aircraft. With an authentic 4-blade rotor and detailed fuselage, it stands out with GPS stabilization, optical flow positioning, and LiDAR altitude hold for remarkably steady flight, making it easier for pilots to hover and cruise smoothly. Powered by a direct drive brushless system and delivered as a complete RTF package, it offers about 8 to 10 minutes of flight with a 3S LiPo and costs around €510. This blend of performance and scale realism makes the Venom 220 a compelling choice for intermediate RC pilots wanting a realistic yet easy-to-fly helicopter. RCRA C032 Huey. The RCRA C032 Huey is a compact 148 scale RC helicopter that brings the classic UH1 Huey look into a fun, flyable package with modern stabilization tech. It features a fly-bayless design with 6-axis gyro, barometric altitude hold, optical flow positioning, and TOF sensors for smooth and stable flight. Even for less experienced pilots with a brushless motor and approximately 13-min flight time on a 7.4-volt Lion battery, it offers solid performance and multi-directional control, including one-key inverted flight. The included 2.4 GHz transmitter and lightweight 115 grams build make it easy to take outdoors or indoors. Prices typically range around $110 to $150 depending on battery count and retailer, making it a compelling mid-range choice for hobbyists wanting a scale-style helicopter with smart flight features. Blade MCX Anniversary Special Edition. The Blade MCX Anniversary Special Edition is a timeless Ultra-Miro RC helicopter designed for beginner pilots and indoor fun. Celebrating 20 years of the iconic MCX series, it comes fully assembled with a coaxial rotor head that delivers excellent stability and ease of control. Perfect for flying in small spaces like living rooms or offices weighing just over an ounce with the included one-zone 150 mAh LiPo battery, it's light and forgiving for new flyers. The ReadyFly version comes with a Spectrum 4-channel transmitter, battery and USB charger all in the box, typically priced around $100, making it an affordable fun choice for RC enthusiasts of all ages. Rotoscale AH64 Apache Desert Tan 250. The Rotoscale AH64 Apache Desert Tan 250 is an impressive 250-size GPS stabilized RC helicopter that brings the legendary attack chopper to life with authentic military styling and modern flight tech ready to fly right out of the box. It features integrated GPS optical flow and LiDAR altitude sensing for rock, steady hovering and precise control that's helpful for beginners and experienced pilots alike. With automatic flight modes, return to home safety features, and dual brushless motors, it delivers confidence-inspiring performance. Finished in desert tan and complete with a sturdy aluminum carry case, this helicopter typically retails around $569 to €579, offering strong value for a highly capable scale model. Flywing Bell 412. The Flywing Bell 412 is a full-scale 470 class RC helicopter that offers an impressive combination of authentic scale looks and smart flight technology. It comes ready to fly with a GPS-assisted ACE flight controller, 6-channel control, and a 4-blade rotor system that gives stable, realistic handling in outdoor conditions. Typical flight modes include GPS hover manual, 3D and automatic route planning, and you can expect around 20+ minutes of flight time on a 4STH 3000 mAh setup. Prices for the RDF package generally start around $899 and up, depending on battery options, making it a premium but rewarding choice for scale. RC pilots who want a versatile, capable machine that looks as good as it flies. RCRA C123 EC135. The RCRA C123 EC135 is a sleek 136-scale gyro-stabilized RC helicopter that delivers an engaging blend of scale realism and fun flight capability, ready to fly out of the box. It uses dual brushless direct drive motors, a 6-axis gyro optical flow positioning, and barometric altitude hold for stable hovering and responsive control in outdoor conditions. You'll find features like 3D flips, 1-key inverted flight, and 1-key takeoff landing, making it accessible to both beginners and hobbyists. Typical flight time is 8 to 10 minutes per charge on its 11.1-volt LiPo, with a control range around 120 to 150 meters. Prices usually fall between $160 to $220, depending on battery count and seller offering good value for a capable fun-to-fly scale model. Blade Revolution 235 CP. The Blade Revolution 235 CP is a mid-size collective pitch RC helicopter that bridges the gap between beginner E and true aerobatic capability, perfect for pilots stepping up from fixed pitch flyers. It arrives fully assembled with brushless main and tail motors, a Spectrum Fly bayless controller with AS3X and SAF stability tech, and multiple flight modes that help you learn to hover, recover from mistakes, and progress towards sport. And 3D Flying ReadyF Fly versions typically sell around $299 to $320, with bind and fly options near $269+ without transmitter. The Revolution 235 CP offers a forgiving learning curve, along with solid performance and upgrade potential, making it a strong choice for pilots aiming to master collective pitch helicopters. Flywing Bell 206. The Flywing Bell 206 is a scale-tiled 470 class RC helicopter that delivers both impressive aesthetics and advanced flight technology for outdoor flying enthusiasts. Built around a sturdy, brushless motor system and an AC/H1 flight controller with GPS positioning, altitude hold and assisted modes, it offers stable, hovering, smooth GPS, hover, and smart features like auto return and semi-automatic flight modes. Typical ready-to-fly packages range from about $799 to $899, plus depending on battery count and version, with higher-end variants reaching over $1,000 for the latest V4 GPS-enhanced model. The heli's detailed Bell 206 scale fuselage long flight time up to approximately 18 to 20 minutes, and intuitive controls make it a satisfying choice for intermediate pilots and RC scale enthusiasts alike. RCRA C184 Mini MD500. The RCRA C184 Mini MD500 is a lightweight 100-size RC helicopter that delivers surprisingly stable flight and fun for pilots of many skill levels, thanks to its optical flow positioning, 6-axis gyro stabilization, and barometric altitude hold, which help it hover with confidence both indoors and outdoors. It measures about a 256mm rotor diameter and weighs around 99 grams with typical flight times near 12 minutes on the included 7.4-volt LiPo battery. You'll find versions with or without a transmitter with prices often around $70 to $250 plus, depending on configuration and where you buy with easy wonky takeoff, landing, and stable controls. It's a great choice for beginners and hobbyists seeking a fun, detailed scale flyer without breaking the bank. Flywing UH1. The Flywing UH1 RC helicopter is a full-size scale-styled RC Hua that combines authentic military looks with modern GPS-assisted flight technology for a smooth and confident flying experience. It features a brushless power system, GPS/glowness positioning, one-key return to home, and assisted flight modes that help stabilize, hover, and simplify outdoor flying. The rotopan is roughly 810 meters with a 6-axis controller and optional guided flight patterns, plus flight times around 20 to 28 minutes, depending on battery size. Prices typically start around $799 to $849, plus for ready fly packages with higher tiers for extra batteries or advanced versions.